Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a multi-purpose tag style 3-pocket insert for you if you wanted to make something to insert some bits and pieces, or if you're just one of those like myself that love making all kinds of pockets for goodies or for just to add some stuff inside. This is a great little multi-purpose style pocket. You could use this as a floating pocket for your planner or for your journal. It's also a great to use as a page marker to mark your page in your journal. You can use this as Happy Mail and add some fun little goodies and pop them inside the pockets that are in the on this project. You can make this for any occasions you like, for a Christmas theme, Halloween, Easter, or just to use as a gift to give somebody for a birthday gift, because you can add a gift card inside here as well. So great pocket for any occasion or for any way you'd like to use this. So let me show you what I've got inside to give you an idea if you wanted to add something similar that I have in here, and I'm going to then show you how you can make this as well. And all you need are just 2 pieces of your papers from your stash, and you could easily make one of these. So what I've got here is a front pocket here, and what I've got in here is this cute pocket that I had made a while back. And all you need to make this pocket is just your paper scraps as well. And I've got in this pocket some washi samples that I had used some clear acetate, and it's great because you can add your washi and wrap it around, and then you can use these in your planners, and then you've got a spot in your pocket, so you've got some washi for you to decorate your pages. Or if you wanted to gift some washi sample in your Happy Mail or for your pen pal, it's a great way to add this in your pocket. I also popped in the inside just one of my paper layered embellishment that I also had done a process video for you a while back as well. So I thought that was cute to put inside. And this is the cute little pocket that I made. Just so easy again, and you just have fun decorating it. And it just uses a paper and 2 little pieces of strips, and then you've got your safari pocket. I'll put the link for you if you want to make one of these. So then over here is a cute little front pocket, which I did embellish with another embellishment that I had done a process video as well. You may remember this embellishment that I had done. And then up here I punched a hole to create the tag shape, so it kind of looks like a tag. And then I added a little pom-pom dangle with a little die ephemera from my stash. And then over here on the side is another side pocket, and this would be great to add your gift card if you wanted to add a gift card. And this cute little Happy Mail set fitted perfectly inside the side pocket. And I just recently done this video for you, and you just need 1 piece of 6x8 paper to make this 2-piece set. And I also show you 2 ways on how you can make this cute little pocket idea as well, and I'll put the link to this tutorial down below. And this opens up this way and has a side pocket, and I just folded this paper in half so you could maybe use that for some journaling or to add your little note. And over here is the little pocket set, and I just kept it together with this cute little paper clip dangle. And this is the little pocket that comes with this pocket flip book set, and it's just really cute. And I just got a little tag that I cut up and placed in there. And then there is a top pocket up here, so you could also add, a note card or a journaling card. So this was just a cute little addition into the little side pocket. And I just put the paper clip back in here just so you could see. And I thought that was, it just keeps it together. And that was just perfect in there. And then when you turn it around, there is another side pocket at the back. I added an altered paper clip here on the side just to also add a little extra gift if you were gifting this for a Happy Mail, or you could add your paper clips onto here when you're ready to add them to your planner pages. So that's another idea for you. And then over here I placed a cute little mini memory dex card, which I made a couple of years ago, I think. I just like these ephemeras, and I thought I'd stick them onto the memory dex card. And then there is also an envelope. This is for a 4x6 note card envelope, so that would fit perfectly in the side pocket, which is a great way if you are wanting to add a letter. If you are doing pen paling or snail mailing, you can add that in here, or use this as a place to add some more stuff. I can't remember if I did mention it, but I'm going to do another video for you using this same way, where you can add a envelope as a extra flip page to this tag style pocket insert. So I'm going to do a video and show you if you wanted to add an envelope as an extra flip page. But let me show you how you can make this really simple 3-pocket insert, tag style pocket insert. So you just want to grab yourself 2 pieces of your papers from your stash. So if you have a lot of single-sided paper, this would be perfect, and you can make a bunch of these and have them ready for you for packaging. So I've got 2 pieces here. So this is a long piece, and that is going to be the piece where you see this part here. So you just decide which piece you want showing for this part. And in this case, I'm going to use this one. So you want to cut that paper at 3 1/4 inches by 7 1/2 inches. And then you want another piece of paper for the side tuck pocket here, which then also is this part here. And then you want to cut that paper at 4 inches by 5 inches. So I'll put the measurements down below for your reference as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab the longer piece first, and we're just going to make some simple scoring. This is a very easy measuring project as well. So we are going to just score at 1 inch on both ends. So I'm going to score on one end at 1 inch. So you want to line your paper on the long side at the 7 1/2 inch. And I'm just going to turn it around this way and score it again at 1 inch. So there you'll have your 2 score lines up the top and at the bottom. And then with the other piece, you're going to also we're going to line it at the 4 inch mark, and you want the part that's showing, if you're using a double-sided paper, you want whatever's showing up here, and in this case it's single-sided, you want to have the print facing up, and you want to line it at the 4 inch mark, and we're going to score that as well at 1 inch. So you've got to have the score line on the left side. So that is all for the scoring. So there's just 1 inch score mark, so it's very easy. So with the long piece, we're going to work with that first. We're going to fold those 2 ends over. So that is how it looks once it's folded. We're going to grab this piece, and then we're also going to fold this over. We're going to fold it to the back. So now we have these 2 pieces folded. Pretty much it's just going to slide in like that. That is pretty much how it's going to be assembled. So you're going to have that part to the back, and these 2 will be coming to the front. But before we do any adhering it, you can make a thumb notch here first if you like. So let me just grab my circle punch. So you want to just grab a thumb notch on this side here, somewhere in the middle. So I'm just going to do that. And because this was single-sided paper, I forgot to mention I did add another scrap paper at the back here. So if you wanted to do that, just grab another scrap paper, and then you want to place it along the edge here. I'm not sure if I have a piece. So I haven't got any papers cut up, but cut a strip of paper about 1 inch, and then you just want to glue it along here. That way you don't see the white part. So I'm going to place that in here now, and you want to place it at the bottom here. So before we do that, we're going to glue along here. And what we're going to do, we're going to glue along the top and the bottom as well. So we're going to glue up here and the bottom. And then we are going to glue it on the bottom of that score line. Okay. If you hear that little strange noise in the background, that's Jester and my little baby boy, and he has a funny way of snoring. So I'm just going to line that like that, and you want to have that just above that score line. Turn it around this way, and then we're just going to press down where we placed the glue, and that's going to give you that side tuck pocket, which is at the back here, like this one. And all we're going to do now, we'll do this side first. We're going to put glue along the bottom here and along here, and that will give you the front tuck pocket. So just bring that up, glue that down. And now with this part here, we're going to glue the whole thing up here. Before you glue it, you can decorate your corner first. I'm just going to grab my corner rounder punch. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to. Now you're going to notice that it's going to not line up along here. It's because the paper is a little bit thick, but because it's been folded over. So if you don't mind how it's looking like that, then that's fine. Now I'm just going to grab my glue, and I'm going to glue this whole part down. So glue that down. So what you should have now, let's see if I've got something, I'll just use this piece. I'll just use this one. You should now have that as your front pocket. That will be your side tuck pocket. And then you should have a back side pocket once everything is glued down. And then you just punch a hole up here to create the little hole for your dangles or your trim if you wanted to do that. And that's pretty much all there is to this cute little tag style 3-pocket insert. It's very easy. Just use your papers from your stash, and then you've got yourself a little pocket where you can add some fun stuff. I will be back with the next video to show you how you could add the envelope flip to the pocket. So I hope you enjoyed this really fun, simple video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.